Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Westinghouse heated blanket error E or E.E, meaning causes and reset tutorial. Fix 1 is check the blanket connection. Turn off the blanket and unplug it from the power outlet, then disconnect the controller from the blanket. Check the connector for dirt, bent pins or damage. Then firmly reconnect the controller unit, it is fully seated. Then plug the blanket back in and turn it on. Second one is reset the heated blanket. Turn the controller off, then unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Then wait 5 to 10 minutes. Plug the blanket back into the outlet, then turn it on and check if the E or EE code is gone. Third one is inspect the power cord. Unplug the blanket, then check the power cord for cuts, fraying or loose connection. Then make sure the cord is not twisted or pinched under furniture. If the cord is damaged, use using the blanket and replace it if possible. Fourth one is check the blanket wiring. Lay the blanket flat, then look for fold, sharp creases or damaged area. Then make sure the internal heating wires have not been pinched. If the blanket shows visible damage, do not continue using it. Fifth one is let the blanket cool down. Turn the blanket off and unplug it, then let it cool for 20 to 30 minutes. Plug it back in and turn it on. Then check whether the error has disappeared. Thanks for watching.